Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so very much for being here, for being yourself, for loving yourself, for making this new jump, which we are all experiencing now. There is a new frequency, there is a new beginning, there is something else. Maybe you feel the connection with Arcturians recently. Maybe you, for the first time, received the message, I am with you, and you get scared. Maybe for the first time you understood that there is the unseen world, and for some reason you start listening to channels. Each of us is the channel of light. Each of us has in the DNA the magnificent connection with the star family. I wish to say something else. For the now, there is a new beginning for light beingnesses on Earth. In the frequencies which we haven't heard of yet, for us, for lights on Earth. The year of 2023 is a year of transition. If you're allowing yourself, and I believe that you do allow yourself to connect with your light family, you are making the changes, maybe in your life, maybe in relationships, maybe in the spiritual path. The love of God is in each of us. Yes, absolutely. And the love of God is what is connecting all of us in this solar system. But if I ask you a question, where the unicorn sleeps, where the unicorn sleeps? It's a question which will be answered partially by Arcturians, partially by myself on this weekend. Our workshop, very special workshop. I'm looking forward to this significant weekend, a weekend of transition, if you wish so, a weekend of a graduation into the frequencies, into the loving hearts, where we are all connected in light, with love for ourselves. So, dears, join us this weekend with Arcturians, with Arcturianous, on this new path, StarSeeds connection. I'll be channeling Arcturians, I'll be channeling Arcturianous, and there is something else, which, shh, for now. So, see you, I hope, on Saturday, and leave the comment, leave the message. What is that you are experiencing today? What is that this frequency which you are experiencing today brought something special for you? Thank you. See you. Love you very much. Have a wonderful week.